Angeke baba, angeke. Not today. Not today. Ayinamhlanje.
Cabanga ukuthi bonke umuntu because of befuna ukwina, yabo. And babone egameni ukuthi izinto azami kahle. So ngicabanga ukuthi yona into eyenza ukuthi kukhozeke sasiphithiphithi in no coach I think naye indlela becabanga ngoba befuna ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwine.
Be careful. Be careful. Now we are losing. Every people start to speak. I don't like this. Everybody want to be coach. Everybody want to give advice. Be careful. What I'm looking is my team. I know that we can come back and we can win that game.
The change room made that whole thing worse because it's so small and it's cramped. We are losing a game in the semi-final against Sundowns. It's the first experience as a group of us being under pressure of a knockout game with the new coach.
Then ucoach wafika kumina. Wathi hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ukhathele yabo. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngizokuchinja ngifaka uMariko yabo. But because ucoach angikwazi mina ukumphikisa uyena obonayo wena ngendlela abona ngayo and the right because egcineni sifuna ukuwina sonke. Ayi majitata
Askolozile Nchutai last 15 mfethu because coach thought he was tired yabo yena sembuza ukuthi kathela tha sasho ukuthi hayi mfethu siye pusha last 15 or 20 yabo and let's see we can get a goal before that.